Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. When is the German ZEW survey and how could it affect EUR USD? http ntvforex.com News ID 623,049 3 minutes ago by Dwani made a German ZEW survey overview. The ZEW will release its German Economic Sentiment Index and the Current Situation Index at 9 o'clock GMT in the EU session later today, reflecting institutional investor opinions NBSP for the next 6 months. The headline Economic Sentiment Index is expected to deteriorate to 69.8 in September as against a 71.5 reading booked in the previous month. Meanwhile, the Current Situation Sub-Index is likely to arrive at 72.0 versus a 81.3 figure recorded NBSP last month. NBSP How could they affect NBSP? EUR USD Broad-based US dollar rebound fuels the drop in EUR USD from January 1900. The greenback fell to a multi-day low below the 93 level on improved risk appetite, induced by upbeat Chinese retail sales and industrial production data. Markets now await the German ZEW survey to gauge the next moves in the spot. Should the German data beat estimates, the spot could challenge January 1900 once again. A break above which would open doors for a test of last week's high of January 1918. On a downside surprise, the rates could extend the retreat towards the 5-DMA support at 1.1849. NBSP The next downside cap is seen at 1.1833 10-DMA Monday AS low. At the time of writing, EUR USD trades at 1.1880. Up 0.09% on the day. Key notes: EUR USD looks firmer and approaches January 1900 ahead of ZEW. EUR USD forecast last rise on top of uptrend support. Fed fears set to trigger a correction. Forex today upbeat Chinese data boosts mood. Boris bill passes first hurdle. Gold shines about German ZEW. The economic sentiment published by the NBSP Zentrum für Europa ist Wirtschaftsforschung. NBSP measures the institutional investor sentiment, reflecting the difference between the share of investors that are optimistic and the share of analysts that are pessimistic. Generally speaking, an optimistic view is considered as positive or bullish for the EUR, whereas a pessimistic view is considered as negative or bearish. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.